Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 Ford F-150. Stock number is A6726. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side. You have blacked out alloy wheels. Those are 20-inch alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, a combination of leather and cloth interior makes for an incredibly comfortable ride all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side. You can see how the black racing stripe follows all the way around to the back end. Factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors and a camera. Spray-in bed liner keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control. Four-wheel drive, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.